The dinner brought together hundreds of members from the Namirembe Diocesan Mothers Union with the unifying fact of raising 300 million Ugandan shillings for the completion of the Mothers Union House. The Bishop of Mityana Diocese, Right Reverend Dr. James Bukomeko Salongo, was among the invited guests. In his message, the Bishop called for unity among the members as the only way to success. Robert Mnanura, the Assistant Commissioner General of Uganda Prisons, appreciated the Mothers Union for the initiative and contributed 2 million Ugandan shillings onto the project.
To congratulate you on the initiative. This initiative of construction, typical, but it is, but they can be done by faith. And as somebody has said, it is just a question of numbers and how we mobilize the numbers. Sometimes we only fail to mobilize the numbers. As the Bishop said, we fail to account to these numbers who contributed to us. So it's a question of faith. Faith. Because we are not saying that this money will come from government. Not at all. It may be contributed by people who work for government. But it is going to be a self-help project to contribute for you 2 million shillings, which I have brought. But in addition, I know when I go back, my actually past Mothers Union leader, my wife, and also I've been a Fathers Union leader myself, she'll ask me, what did you do?
In a one-on-one interview with Church of Uganda Family TV, Bishop of Bukomeko explained more about the theme of the day, called for togetherness among the married.
Our theme has been unity, because this is what God wanted when he was creating this marriage institution, to be together, husband and wife, to be one. And this should also go into our lives. Every time we are doing something, we must always learn to be together, to work together, to take the same voice in Mothers Union. When we are together, we shall be able to complete this project. Let us not be divided.
He warned the members of the Fathers and Mothers Union against divisionism.
That division, which is also affecting marriage institution, we must fight it, because God, right from the beginning, when he was creating this marriage institution, he wanted people to be one, a husband and wife to be one, not to be divided. So this division affects many areas in our lives. I'm calling upon all members of Mothers Union and to be one, and also Fathers Union. We shall be able to achieve many things in life.
Rosalyn Kawiso, the Namirembe Diocesan Mothers Union President, explained how the initiative is aimed at raising 300 million Ugandan shillings for the completion of the Mothers Union House.
We have been planning for this day since the year began this year. We are looking for money for Mothers Union House. Mothers Union House is a project for Mothers Union whereby women are going to be getting money for facilitation as we are doing Mothers Union work. In Mothers Union work, we have a lot of work to do, which includes mentoring our children, both the young and the old. And that is the money which we are looking for. The 300 million is going to help us a lot in the construction. We know that 300 million is enough.
She explained how the house will be instrumental in administering the works of Mothers Union and called upon the members to contribute massively.
As women, we have challenging situations which we need to help ourselves. And this one we cannot do without money. Mothers Union is a union for the church, whereby we do not have people sponsors who sponsor us. We need to sponsor ourselves as Mothers Union. That's why we are here looking for money, so that we can put up that house. If we put up that house, we are going to get money from it.
During the dinner, 21 million Ugandan shillings was collected in cash and in pledges. John Baptist Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.